So guys, let's talk about the latest Pi network updates. I know some of you were excited that came about, and while some of you were disappointed that it happened. But now let's talk about it. And let's see if this is a good thing or not. Is it good that they extended the grace period, or do you think it's bad and it is another delay, another excuse for them to keep delaying this project? Well, if you ask me, I'll say it is actually a good thing that the grace period was extended. But please hear me out. The reason why I think it is a good thing is because of those people that have been mining now for years that have not been able to pass their KYC. At least it will give them a chance to passing their KYC. And that's a good thing. At least they won't be left out. They will be able to, take part on the KYC and get their reward that they deserve because they've been in the project for a very long time. So that's one of the reasons why I feel it's a good thing, because there are so many people that have not been able to get their KYC done. But now, some of you don't even understand why they extended the grace period. So what I'm going to do is we're going to read through the update together, and then we're going to see what this is really about, right? And I said the KYC and mainnet migration deadline for the grace period have been extended to February 28, 2025, ensuring pioneers have additional time and opportunity to secure their Pi, right? Exactly what I said. Now, this extension operates independently of the open network launch timeline, meaning it is possible that open network could occur before or after the grace period ends and uphold its grace period's core objective of fairness and accessibility. According to what they've said, right, the fact that they're extending the grace period doesn't necessarily mean that the open mainnet won't still be live. There's a possibility that the open mainnet could happen before the end of this new grace period, right? So the grace period has nothing to do with the open mainnet. So the fact that they're extending the grace period doesn't mean that it is going to affect the open mainnet. So you should get your mind prepared and don't be discouraged. Don't give up on Pi network just yet, because according to what they said in that update, they also said that the fact that they're extending the grace period doesn't mean that they want to extend the open mainnet as well. So it's possible that it happens before. So you should get your mind fixed on that. Pi network is going to launch. Get prepared, get positioned for this launch, as it's going to be very massive, as I'm expecting, as we are all hoping that Pi network actually works out well for us all. So that's basically what I came here to talk about with you guys. So guys, if you like this content that I just put out, kindly hit the like button for me, and also subscribe to this channel, as it will help to reach out to more people that need this information. So that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.